Yo guys, Tech and Fun here, and today we are going to show you how to download and install PASS 2015 full version for free. So first you are going to need to download this torrent. I already installed it. Second one you need to have is WinRAR. So yeah, we downloaded them. Okay, so once you have downloaded all files, once you install this torrent, you'll get this. Extract this file you downloaded. It will take a while. Okay, so once you extracted that file, you'll get those files. So click on setup. So then click next, install. Okay, now click finish and then go to maps, this PC, local disk, program files, then search for Pro Evolution Soccer 2015, double tap on it, then go to the crack folder, copy these files and then just paste them here. And yeah, you installed Pro Evolution Soccer 2015 for free. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.